A very good morning class 5. This is your science class and we are doing chapter 5 soil. Okay, in the previous classes we had done the explanation of this chapter. Now today we are going to the exercises. So come to the first one. First exercise is let's memorize. Okay. So number 1 is weathering. And what is the meaning of weathering? The process of breaking down of rocks by the action of sun, wind and water is called weathering. The process of breaking down of rocks by the action of sun, wind and water is called weathering. Number 2 is humus. The remains of dead plants and animals in the soil is called humus. Number 3, the topsoil. The uppermost layer of the soil is called topsoil. Number 4, soil erosion. The process of wearing away of the topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Next is soil conservation. Protection of soil against soil erosion is called soil conservation. Okay, so these are the 5. Define the following. You have to do it in your notebooks. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise A. Take the correct answer. So number 1, soil is formed by the weathering of rocks, clouds, air or water. The right answer is rocks. Soil is formed by the weathering of rocks. Number 2, the most fertile layer of the soil is subsoil, bedrock, topsoil or rocks. So the answer is topsoil. The most fertile layer of the soil is topsoil. Question 3. Which of the following human activities is leading to soil erosion? Options are afforestation, deforestation, farming, all of these. So the right answer is deforestation. Number 4, the erosion of soil along the river banks can be prevented by, here are the 4 options given: terrace farming, plowing, building embankments and grazing. And the right answer is building embankments. Okay, the erosion of soil along the river banks can be prevented by building embankments. Number 5, in hilly regions, what can be done to prevent soil erosion? And the options are terrace farming, overgrazing, plowing hill slopes or deforestation. And the right answer is terrace farming. So, first answer is rocks, number 2 is topsoil, number 3 is deforestation, number 4 is building embankments and the last answer is terrace farming. Now come to the exercise. Next exercise, that is exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here are the help box given. There are some words in it. You have to fill the blanks with the correct of these words. Number 1, dash is essential for plants to grow. Answer is soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Soil is essential for plants to grow. Number 2, the dash of the soil is greatly reduced by soil erosion. The dash of the soil is greatly reduced by soil erosion. Answer is fertility. Fertility. The fertility of the soil is greatly reduced by soil erosion. Number 3, dash is the indiscriminate felling of trees. Answer is deforestation. 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 Number 4, protection of soil against soil erosion is called dash. And the answer is soil conservation. S-O-I-L, soil conservation. Soil conservation. Number 5. Dash is an effective method of reducing soil erosion. And the answer is afforestation. 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 Answer 1 is soil. Answer 2 is fertility. Answer 3 deforestation. Answer 4 soil conservation. And the fifth answer is afforestation. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise C. Name the following. Number 1. 3 components of soil. Soil किन किन चीज़ों से मिलकर बनी है? 3 components of soil. Answer is air, water and microorganisms. AIR air, water, WATER water and microorganisms. MICROORGANISMS. Air, water and microorganisms. Number 2. The most fertile layer of the soil. The most fertile layer of the soil is topsoil. 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 Number 3. 2 agents responsible for soil erosion. And the answer is wind and water. WIND, wind, and WATER, water. Number 4. Two human activities that cause soil erosion. Answer is deforestation and overgrazing. DEFORESTATION. Deforestation and overgrazing. OVER, overgrazing. Deforestation and overgrazing. Number 5. The part of plants which holds the soil together. And the answer is roots. ROOT, root. So answer 1 is air, water and microorganisms. Answer 2 topsoil. Answer 3 wind and water. Answer 4 deforestation and overgrazing. And answer 5 root. So these are the exercises that you have to do in your copies today in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay class, that is all for today. Thank you.